Hello everyone. So in this video we will see one more training variety of questions for your upcoming JEE Advanced 2026 preparation. This variety of questions also are very popular. So what is this question? This question is, let fx be a differential function in minus 1 to infinity and f of 0 equal to 1 such that limit t is approaching toward x plus 1. Look at here, t is approaching towards x plus 1. So t is variable and this x or x plus 1 is taking as a constant. Normally you will get t is approaching towards x. Such type of limits you will get, but here in this question I have taken one level up. T is approaching towards x plus 1, not t is approaching towards x only, but you will get like that. Okay, the t square of f of x plus 1, x plus 1 ka whole square f of t minus f of x plus 1, that is equal to 1. So limit is exists. Then we have to find out the value of the limit. X is approaching towards 1, ln of fx. So ln of fx. This fx you have to find out. What is fx? Then only you can find out this limit. So ultimately we have to determine fx. Now how to do that? See, this limit is t is x plus 1. So f of x plus 1 minus f of x plus 1 0. This is x plus 1 ka whole square into f of x plus 1. This is also x plus 1 ka whole square into f of x plus 1. Therefore this is 0 by 0 form. Hence we can apply L'Hospital rule. But while applying the L'Hospital rule, keep in mind that we will differentiate with respect to the variable t, not with respect to the variable x. That is important. So whatever be the function of x, that function consider as a constant function. That is important. So let us apply L'Hospital rule. So this is limit t is approaching towards x plus 1. T square is differentiation 2t. F of x plus 1 is constant minus x plus 1 का whole square as a constant, f का derivative f dash t divided by f of t derivative is f dash t and this derivative is constant derivative 0 and that is already given as a 1. Correct? Now 0 by 0 form removed, therefore I can substitute. So this is 2 times x plus 1 into f of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 ka whole square f dash of x plus 1, that is equal to, this will cross multiply, f dash of x plus 1. So from here we will determine function fx. Same process, integration, constant of integration, all those things we will apply over here. So this is what 2 into x plus 1 into f of x plus 1, that is equal to f dash of x plus 1. F dash of x plus 1, this term will come over here taking common, x plus 1 ka whole square plus ka 1. So I can write down this as a 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 ka whole square plus 1 is f dash of x plus 1 f of x plus 1. This is your equation. Now from here we have to determine f of x. So can I replace this x plus 1 by x? No problem. This become f dash x, this become f of x, this become x square plus 1, this becomes 2 of x. There is no harm. Either or I can differentiate with respect to the d of x plus 1. Here also d of x plus 1. Correct? So this x plus 1 your variable of integration. Correct? No problem. So therefore this is what log of, this is very easy, na? Integration. This is log of x plus 1 ka whole square plus 1. Differentiation of this one is this one. Here also the same cheez. Log of f of x plus 1, correct, plus ka c. Got it? Correct. So therefore I said that I can, otherwise I will replace x plus 1 in the last step. If I get f of x plus 1 is something, then I can get f of x by replacing x plus 1 by x and all those things. Fine. So let us do the next step over here. This is okay. and we have to find out the value of this limit. Correct. So what is given? F of 0 equal to 1. F of 0 equal to 1. This is given, na? So put x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. So when x equal to minus 1, this is f of 0. F of 0 is 1, therefore log of 1. Log of 1 is 0, therefore here c. So c equal to, here x equal to minus 1, this is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Log of 1 is again 0, so therefore c equal to 0. Finally you are getting f of log of x plus 1 equal to log of x plus 1 का whole square plus का 1. Correct? Is that okay? Fine. So therefore I can write down now, this is important, f of x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 का whole square plus 1, and finally I can write down f of x equal to x square plus 1. Therefore I said that you can replace this x plus 1 everywhere by x only, here only, or you can integrate by considering x plus 1 as a variable of integration. So all this concept is important over here. Now it is very easy to find out this limit. Now the question is to evaluate this limit. So this is limit extending to 1 ln of fx. Fx is what? X square plus ka 1 minus ln of 2 divided by x minus 1. Again 0 by 0. X is approaching towards 1, then 0 by 0. So therefore again apply the L hospital rule. Correct? So this is limit extending to 1 upon x square plus 1. Correct? Fx is okay. So I can have 1 upon x square plus 1 into ka 2x. Okay, and this derivative is 1. Differentiation of denominator is 1. Differentiation of numerator is 1 upon x square plus 1 into 2x. Then I can put the limit. So limit is 2 divided by 2, and that is equal to 1. So 1 is your answer. 1 is your answer. This is your integer variety, numerical variety type of questions. Correct?